Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to give you the solutions regarding programming in Java. So this is of week 8, and friends, I am pretty confident that these are perfect 100% correct answers. And I believe the same with you. And coming to first question, which of the following statements is or are not true? An applet can extend Java applet class or the java.swing JApplet class. So it is true. And second option, java.applet.applet class extends AWT panel class and enables you to use graphics user interface. GUI means graphics user interface tools in the AWT package. This is also correct answer. And third statement, java.swing JApplet class subclass of java.applet.applet, so that enables you to use the swing graphics user interface tools. This is also correct answer. And the final, an applet can make network connections to any host on the internet. This is not the correct answer. So that means this is not true statement. So it is the correct answer for first question. That is mark option D as correct answer first question. And coming to second question, which of the following is not a class of java.awt package? So the answer for this is option D, paint, because button, component and dialog, all these three are classes of java.awt package, but this is not a class. So mark option D as correct answer for second question. Coming to third question, which of the following statement is or are correct? So the answer for third question is option D, swing follows MVC, that is model view controller. Option D is correct because AWT components are platform independent, they given, but AWT components are platform dependent. So it is wrong answer. They given AWT follows MVC, but AWT does not follows MVC. So it is also wrong answer. And swing components are platform dependent. This is also wrong answer because swing components are platform independent. So all these are have given in a reverse order, so they are wrong, and they give only one correct, that is swing follows MVC, model view controller. This is correct answer. So mark option D as correct answer for third question. Friends, please watch the video till the end without skipping, because if I make any changes, you can be able to note those changes when you only watch the video full length. So coming to fourth question, when we invoke repaint method for a java.awt.component object, the AWT invokes which of the following method? So the answer for this is option C, that is update. We use update method for that. So mark option C as correct answer. Coming to fifth question, which package provides many event classes and listener interfaces for event handling? So the correct answer for this is java.awt package. So mark option A as correct answer for fifth question. And coming to sixth question, what is the name of the method used to get the timestamp? So timestamp, the answer for this is getWhen, usually used with long and getWhen. The data type used commonly is long. So mark option A. Coming to seventh question, option A is the correct answer for sixth. And for seventh, which is or are used to create a frame? We can create a frame by creating the object for frame class, it is called as association. It is correct answer. And by extending frame class, that is called inheritance, because we are extending. So it is also correct answer. So answer is where? Option C, both. So mark option C as correct answer for 7th question. And coming to 8th question, which of the following methods is called only once during the runtime of an applet? So the answer for this is option C, init. Init is called only once during the runtime of applet. So we can mark option C as correct answer for 8th question. And coming to last but one question, that is 9th question. Which of the following objects can be used to change the size of java.awt component? To change to object. So instead to change size of the java.awt component object, we can use two methods, that is set size and also resize. So how many? First one is option B and second one is, that means second, another answer is option E. So let's see the answers containing only B and D. It's not first, it's not second, it's not third. If you see fourth option, it is correct answer. So mark option D as correct answer for 9th question. And coming to last question, that is 10th question of week 8 Java programming. The applet tag is used to start an applet from both an HTML document and from an applet viewer. Yes, this is true. So mark option A as correct answer. Friends, I hope all these are 100% correct answers, and I feel that the video is helpful to you. If you feel the same, subscribe our channel, like this video, and support our channel. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye.